Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Mary Ann Saw.
How old are you?
I am 45 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
Are you
Roman
married?
Catholic. Yes, I am married.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have kids. I have 2 sons.
How old are they?
Aged 24 and 21.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I worked here for 2 years and 3 months.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
I have work experience in other countries. I worked in Taiwan before as a caregiver in a nursing home, and in Japan also I work in a nursing home and
Okay.
rehabilitation center for elderly.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
For 3 months.
Where's your employer living in?
They are living in Lohas Park.
Okay, so where's your, how many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet.
How many family members there?
They are 5.
How many
in the
children?
family. 2 children,
How old are they?
aged 10 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
My work in the house in Hong Kong is wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and then prepare the breakfast for kids, bring the kids to the school, and then come back to home for finishing my other household chores, and then pick them up at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then prepare a snack for them, and then do other household chores, and then cook for dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook at around 6 o'clock, and then they will have their dinner at 7:30.
Okay, so after doing everything in the kitchen, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed at around 9
9
to
o'clock?
9:30
Okay.
in the evening.
Okay, thank you so much.